Jai Hind students, I'm welcoming you in chapter Safety and First Aid again. Today in this video, we will see what first aid can we give in some cases. For wound, cover the wound temporarily with a clean piece of gauze pad. Wash your hands with soap and water. Use gloves. Lightly rinse the wound with cold running water. Use antiseptic using cotton swabs to clean its surrounding areas. After this, let it dry and cover it with a sterile dressing. For nose bleeding, there are few important things to do if you develop a nosebleed. Sit up straight and lean slightly forward. Pinch your nostrils between your thumb and forefinger for about 10 minutes. This will apply pressure on the bleeding portion. Breathe through the mouth and wait till the bleeding stops. You can also prepare an ice pack by wrapping ice cubes in a cloth and crushing the ice. Apply the ice pack on the nose. This will also reduce bleeding. Burns are injuries caused by fire, hot objects, boiling water, steam, firecrackers, and some chemicals such as acids. In burn injury, hold the injury under cold running water at least 10 minutes. Remove everything tightly near the wound. Cover the injury with a clean and dry dressing. Sometimes a joint such as a ankle or wrist can get twisted and the joint swells up and is very painful. This is called sprain. Ice packs may be placed on the sprained area to decrease the swelling. The joint should not be moved until it heals. An elastic bandage wrapped around the joints gives support and prevent movements. In case of animal bite, thoroughly wash the wound with soap and warm water. Pat it dry with a sterile dressing. Take the patient to the nearest hospital. In case of a bee sting, remove the stinger carefully as soon as you can. If the stinger is squeezed, more venom will be injected into the body. You can use the edge of a library card or an iCard or a bank card to remove the stinger by scraping it off. Wash the affected area with cold water and soap. You can also use an ice pack to bring down the swelling.